Hi guys, this is Anne. I want to make carrot cookies. So this is 10 small carrots. Then I'm going to put flaxseed, grated flax seeds, like a few, like 2 teaspoons or three. Actually, I'll put 3 teaspoons because this looks like a lot. Then I'm going to put cinnamon. I put cardamom, I've grated some nutmeg there, and yes, and then a little this is, I've just made it homemade. This is coconut butter. Yes, that's what this is coconut butter, just freshly made. Didn't have somewhere to put it nicely because I'm going to use all of this, so that's what I'm doing. So yeah, I'll just mix all that together, then I'll show you. Okay, I've decided to put 4 teaspoons of flax powder. Then I just put a half of the spices and only an eighth of the nutmeg. Then I have some sultanas here. I thought just to make it a little bit sweeter, and since I have a lot of date paste here, which I made quite an amount. Oh, it looks dark. I'll put that together, and obviously that's why I thought I mix this one first in the food processor, then we see how it comes out. If only it would focus my phone. Okay, there it goes. That's how it looks. It has mixed quite well actually. So because I've tasted it, it's quite sweet. I've decided not to add the date paste because it will be way too sweet. So I'll just add a little of the butter, the coconut butter, just to make it even more sweeter or tastier, and so can also bind a little bit more as well. Okay, maybe I just want the fat. Alright, I'll just show you the amount of fat I'm putting, and yeah, I've just put 2 tablespoons of the coconut butter, and I'm going to mix it up, and then I'm going to form the cookies, and I'll show you that later. Okay, there is the mixture, so I'll just transfer it in a bowl, and yeah. Okay, that's the shape of the carrot cookies. Yes, I know they look like blobs of, oh my god, but yeah, they're tasty. So I'll just dry them for like 6 hours in the dehydrator, and yeah, that's it. And then I'll show you how they look after they are done. See you in 6 hours. Okay guys, this is coconut flour. It's just the pulp after you make coconut milk. Then you dry it, and then I've just grinded it in the food processor, and that's what it looks like. Maybe I've not done it so fine because I'm going to make cookies out of this. Hopefully come out nicely. I am going to put, now this is the coconut flour, I'm going to put coconut butter. This is the coconut butter, and I'm going to put some date for sweetness. Then I'm going to put flaxseed powder. This is something else. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do with that. And then I think I'm going to put just cinnamon. It's not focusing. Cinnamon and cardamom, but I'm thinking I just put cinnamon. And less flavor, just simple flavor. That's it. Yeah, that's it. Maybe I'll put a little lime in it to give it a kick. Okay, I'll just put all that together and blend it up and see what happens. Okay, I've put 2 tablespoons of coconut butter, 2 tablespoons of date paste, and then I put 2 teaspoons of flax powder, and then just half of a teaspoon of cinnamon. That's it. I've decided that's what I'm going to put. The simpler it is, the better. And now I'm just going to blend it or food process it. Okay, it has become like fly. It's not stuck the way it's supposed to, like cookie dough. So I think I'm going to still add more date paste, and I think I'll add a little bit of water so it all combines nicely. I know you think this is a lot of sugar, but it's Christmas, so you can overindulge. Yes, so that's what I've added. Yep, I'll just stir that, and then yeah, okay, it has become like a cookie dough, so it sticks what you want. So I'll just put it aside, and yeah, I'll roll them and show you. Here are the coconut date cookies with a little bit of, I put pieces of cashew nuts, just cut them a little bit. And yes, I'll show you after they have dried in 6 hours. And thanks for watching. Bye.